Hey guys, welcome back to another session. First of all, Jai Hind, all of you. This is Amardeep and very welcome to all of you. So, are you ready for explain all things? Today, I cover more topics. See this, guys. Mumbai Asok Wada Pav ranks 25th in the taste at least world most iconic sandwich. Oh, bhai साहब, I mean to say 50, 25, sorry 25 रैंक ला लिया है 25 रैंक लाया मुंबई अशोक वाडा पाव हैज़ बीन रैंक 25 इन टेस्टी अटलस list of the world most iconic sandwiches. It was it was invented in the 60s or 70s by Ashok Wadia, a street vendor near Dadar railway station, and has become a cultural emblem of the city. Despite its simple ingredient vada pav hold complex cultural significant oh भाई साहब cultural significance and continues to be reinvented by vendors and चीप्स सी दिस गाइस. तो कोई भी बिजनेस का छोटा नहीं होता है, ठीक है ना. टेस्ट के क्वालिटी कंटेंट क्वालिटी के ऊपर काम करिएगा ना कोई, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो जो डिफाइन आपको करेगा. यस डेफिनेटली. म्यांमार explosion troll rises to 55th. What we know so far, and incidental explosion है, ठीक है ना. explosion at a warehouse in Myanmar killed 55 people. OMG, what is going on in this, guys? This is serious matter. Including Chinese nationals and children's. Hundreds of homes were destroyed or damaged, and over 100 people were injured. The Taga National Liberation Army confirmed the incident, and an investigation is ongoing. Survivors express anger towards authorities for allowing the warehouse to operate. OMG, what is going on in this time, guys? गिल से बटर रोबाज सिजल्स रशीद एंड गिल पिल में जेट गुजरात टाइटन्स का नहीं देखेंगे, बात करेंगे. when you are the only brand customer by you, ASUS push into India's heartland. ASUS India's Vice President Arnold Su and General Manager Peter Chiang shared their philosophy of meeting customer demand in India's smallest towns through an ambitious retail expansion. They aim to be the dominant force on the shelf and have already seen surprising organic demand in non-metro cities. The company has also made changes to its service centers to cater to the growing market. भाई कुछ बड़ा करना है तो बड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. देखो अक्षय और रणबीर और स्टूडेंट सबको, ठीक है ना. डोमेस्टिक ग्रॉस जंप्स 15% in 2026 to rupees 4219 crore. Okay. भूत बांग्ला वासाह 2 lead Waza 2 lead April VO. The first half of 2025 was more or less dull for the India's box office, as almost all the movies that emerged as massive blockbusters that year hit the screen after June. However, things are different this time around as the movies release from the start of January to the end of April register a cumulative guys telling me on comment section what is meaning of cumulative. Okay. Gross of rupees 4219 crore, which is 15% higher compared to the same period last year. See this guys, has keep on I mean keep she has kept the best room inside her Benewal's Levi's family home in Delhi. Farah Khan's YouTube video showcased a home tour of YouTuber Hers Benewal's Delhi home, emphasizing the impact of living space on emotional well-being and family connections. The personalized design admired by Farah served as inspiration for her own home. Hers shared his career journey and the pressure of entertaining online audiences. Oh, bhai sahab. Kangna Ranaut recalled her mother's rouse, hers word after gangster our society would not accept. कंगना का कुछ वैलिड नहीं है, इसका कवर नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है ना. कैन प्राइवेसी ट्रम्प parentis why Supreme Court upheld DNA test in paternity case. The Supreme Court has ruled in favor of allowing DNA testing in a civil suit where an allegation is seeking paternity and inheritance right from his father. The court considered the privacy right of the alleged father against the alleged son's interest in closure and enhanced the legal framework under Section 112 of the Indian Evidence Act to support legitimacy of children born in wedlock. Now see these 5 things I will never do as a gynecologist and a woman. Listen, if you are a girl or woman, then listen to it very carefully. This is about yourself, okay. Dr. Unnati Pandya advises avoiding 5 common habits that can negatively impact intimate health. Weeping from back to front, prolonged use of period products, careless waxing, using scented vaginal wedges, and ignoring low iron levels. Experts warn that these habits can cause infections, in irritation, oh bhai sahab, irritation and fatigue, and recommend consulting a health practitioner before adopting any new routine. Okay, so this is very important, and I just only show you, just read properly. Okay, I just show this proper read and proper and take analysis. Okay, pause the video and just read all things. I just show this. Okay, 5 things never do. Okay, now 5 things, this is 5 things. I repeat these 5 things थोड़ा करके कर देता हूँ. Whipping from the back and front. Okay, and second is wearing period products on for too long. Okay, and third one is waxing public hair carelessly. Okay, and fourth and second last is using sentence vaginal vessels, okay, and the last one is ignoring low iron levels, okay. And I think you all getting this point now. Next, see this MP Supriya Sulagli 1.25 crore women dropped from लड़की बहन स्कीम, लड़की बहन स्कीम दिसंबर 2024। भाई क्या है ये सब, इतना स्कीम वगैरह चला रहे भाई, कुछ काम कर देगा गवर्नमेंट, तो कुछ काम कर दो, कुछ बना दो, कुछ बिजनेस वगैरह स्टार्ट कर दो जिससे कुछ हो। भाई फ्री में पैसा देने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, आई नो अबाउट इट, तो इसको अवॉइड किया जाए। इंडिया सीख, देखो भाई ट्रम्प आया तो इंडिया सीक्स एज ओवर एस आसियान peers in trade with US. India and the US are close to finalizing a trade agreement, with India hoping to gain an edge over its ASEAN rivals in light of new tariffs expected to be announced by the US. The deal needs to be signed within the next 5 to 7 weeks before the current global tariffs expire. However, experts caution that the new tariff could be more serve than previous one. Guys, listen. ये जो है ना, ये हम लोग 26 जनवरी को मतलब ट्रेड कर दिए थे यूके के साथ में, आई मीन ईयू के साथ में, यूरोपियन यूनियन के साथ में, ठीक है ना। तो ट्रम्पा को झटका लगा, उसके बाद उसका ठीक दूसरा दिन ये अपना वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को भेजा था, किसको भेजा था, JD वेंस को भेजा था, कि JD वेंस आया था या कौन आया था पता नहीं, मैं तभी कवर करा था कि नहीं पता नहीं है मुझे एग्जैक्ट, लेकिन कोई आया था और बोला कर देंगे डील। उसका साइन नहीं करा था, सिर्फ डील करा था, साइन नहीं करा था, बोला मार्च में होगा। तब तक टैरिफ वगैरह कभी कभी सब चलने लगा, तो ये सब चलता है। ट्रम्पा जो है ना फेक आदमी है, पगला ट्रम्प हो। हम लोग ने तो पहले इसको पागल बोल दिया था, लेकिन मेन बात है कि सबको पागल बोलने लगा, ये पागल जैसे करता ही है, बाकी क्या बोला जाएगा, सब चीज़ अपना जगह पे है, क्या बोले ये लोग जो है पकड़ लिया है, सब बैकग्राउंड मैटर करता है ना, क्या करेंगे। ओके देन गाइस, यू अनदर सेशन अनदर डे। सो कैसा लगा आज का सेशन आप लोग बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन में, ओके। एंड सी दिस विराट कोहली, आई मीन सेकेंड टाइम ऑफ RCB winner, yes I cover it, listen to it very carefully. Virat Kohli evolves again, add a bit of Suryavanshi Abhishek to his game. Virat Kohli adaptability and evolution have kept him at the forefront of cricket. In the 2026 IPL, he adopted a more aggressive style and scored an unbeaten 75 runs to lead RCB to victory. He also made change to his batting approach, excelling in the power play and against pace bowler. Okay, so I think you all getting this point what I am saying. Okay then guys, see you in another session, another date. Okay, bye bye, tata, again Jai Hind, all of you guys, and telling me on comment section how was today's session. Yes, because your opinion is most important for me. Okay, again Jai Hind on, and see you same time tomorrow. Bye bye, tata.